Just bugging. Alright guys, it's G-Man here, and I am no gamer. I might build bugs, and it's exactly what it says, just bugging. You don't see me just gaming, do you? But let's give it a try. Whoa! Bow! That didn't work out too well. Okay, we got reverse here. I didn't see that coming at all. Oh, wait. I kind of looked good there at the beginning, didn't I? Well, let's mess it all up now. Ooh. I'm not supposed to get down in the bottom, am I? Oh, look at all those people. Oh man, I'm gonna screw up now, ain't I? G-Man on the run, where the road go. Oh, there it is. Ooh. Oh boy, sorry about that, people. Oh, is that a car coming? Yeah. Damn, that brake's sensitive. Wow, this is pretty damn realistic. Oh, I like that. Run up the hill. Oh! Oh, that didn't work out too good for me. Let's do a donut. Oh, reverse.
Mango tear. Put in reverse, tear.
Oh, oh, that's still reverse.
Put in reverse. Oh, Lord.
Oh, why do I keep hitting reverse? I don't know how to do a donut. What did you say my handbrake was?
It's on your right thumb.
There you go. It's like mud trucks, you know, in Orlando. Oh, okay. Whoa! Good recovery there, I must say myself. I didn't realize all these roads are so windy. Hold on. Hey you! You're going too damn slow. Whoa! Oh, I'm still in control. Let's give it another gear. Oh no. Whoa, where are you going? Whoa! Ah! I'm really screwing up here. I just gotta go full bore, you know? What the hell? I don't know what a brake is. It was like a ghost car. Oh! I was looking at the ghost car and I about ran into a damn pole. Didn't take too long to get used to this, huh? Freaking supersonic, buddy. Yeah, that's how you recover. Look out! Whoa, that was a close one. Let's go this way. Don't give a shit about red line. What do I pay for this transmission? Let's go this way. Whoa, that didn't work out too well. Hey, look out. I've already hit one car. Oh, these are some curvy roads. Sorry about your luck, bud. Glad I wasn't on that side of the road. Let's just go crazy.
Go crazy. Ah, go stupid. Ah, go crazy.
Probably gonna wreck into some trees pretty soon. Oh, I missed the sign. Let's not get a tree. Oh, I missed the fence. Whoa. I didn't see no turn signal. Oh. Whoa. Wow, that was close. I think I just took a shave. Wow, I didn't know I could drift. Whoa! That drift. Holy cow. This is my first, second time playing this game?
Forza Horizon.
Well, I drove the Autobahn for, 3.5, 4 years? Whoa! Crash out.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little funny video of my dad just driving around in Forza Horizon 4. But if you guys liked the video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day.